Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. How was your holidays? I am back, and I am back with a hack. Here's the thing. I want to do a drill through with a Power BI slicer. And it is a hack. There's no way to do it out of the box, not even with the new slicer, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. Okay, so this is what we want to do. I have this beautiful slicer here with images. So when I click on something, I want this button to take me to another page and carry through the folder. Okay, a drill through. Here's the thing. I was expecting, especially with the new visual, the new slicer, you know, this is a slicer, the slicer has buttons, and buttons have actions. Where are the actions? There's no actions in here. So I had to configure an external button to get this working. Let me show you how everything is done. Let me show you how to configure it. This is the new slicer, you can see here, and it has as a card name, the Power BI visual name, as a card image, an image. That's it. So I want, when I click on one of these, to be able to go to a page where it will show me all the JSON properties for that visual. So this is a button, normal button, nothing weird with it, that has the action properties. We need these action properties on the slicer. Please put it there. Anyhow, until then, what we need to do is when somebody clicks on this button, we're going to take them to a page, the page that we want to do the drill through. So page navigation, and then this is the properties and labels. This is the page I want them to go to. So if I click already here now, it's going to take me there, but there's not going to be anything folder because I have not set that up yet. So how do I do? So when I select KPI and then click on the button, it takes me to the folder, this page folder by KPI. You're gonna die, but so what you need to do, you take the original slicer, you copy paste it, you go to the page that you want to do the drill through, you copy paste it, you sync them. This is the important part. Sync, and then you go to the selection pane and you hide it. So we're basically doing syncing folders. I know it's absurd, but there's just no other way. I couldn't find it anyway. So now when I go to the stacked visual here and I go to the button, because the folders are synced, it was synced. I know it's a horrible thing, but it works. It works. So Power BI team, please, it is a slicer with buttons. We need button actions. Oh, at least on the new slicer. I don't care about the old one. I don't use it anymore. So the new one, please. Pretty please. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.